tapos yung speed supply. Yung mga hindi ko pa nakikita mo. Sa Sunday, wala na. If I receive at least one during the moment, close na ako sa goal. Actually, kailangan ko na lottery. Thank you guys for joining me. Thank you for the gifts. Thank you for my flowers. You're one of my very few gifters on this life. Dennis, good evening. Kahit ko ngayon, no? Masama pakaramdam ko na naman. Samantalahin nyo guys habang nilagat ako. Kahit ako kung nilagat ako, hindi naman. Kano, Oliver, Black Dragon, RJ, Hi Paul, diba? Ay, binabati ko lang. Energy, hello! Have a great night, guys! So nice tonight. Hi, Grass. I love everybody. I love the people of the world. I feel like a saint kapag may sakit ako kaya akong bye-bye. Hi, hello! Hi, Pet. I do not for hello. Wala akong babarahin tonight, Travis. Bye-bye. Pinapawisan na naman. Thank you for telling me, sa iyo, kasi I would not know na malaki yung susi ko kung di mo sinabi sa akin. Thank you for telling me. Maraming salamat sa information. Hindi ko malalaman talaga. Hindi mo sinabi. Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat sa iyo, ha? Thank you for warning me. Thank you for the warning. Thank you po. Malaking bagay po na winarningan mo ako. Dahil hindi ko talaga malalaman. Kaya ako gagawa ka ng paraan yan sa'yo, ha? Agawa na ka ng paraan. Gabriel. Mute ka tuloy. Tap, guys. Please tap your screen tap as many times as you want. That will serve as likes. It's like you're liking my life and you're gonna help me appear in the popular page more often kapag mataas yung score natin. Since wala masyadong nag-give sa akin, tapping would really help. And sharing my life, following me, commenting, stuff like that. Pag-wish ko ate, happy birthday kay Kuya Lamiko. Happy birthday! Lamiko!